Fault code F1E4, what does that mean?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Just today.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I just replaced the door switches.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. F1E4 means that your main power relay board has an internal short. Try to unplug the microwave for 5 minutes and see if the electronics will reset. If the issue comes back, the main power relay board would have to be replaced. I'm not sure how that could have failed replacing the door switches, but weird things happen when servicing an appliance, I've found. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Is there a reset? It has been unplugged for a week.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.